Hey guys, it's me tinyarielpearl. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get the new aging up potion in Adopt Me. It is super easy and you only need to do tasks and save your potions. You can age up your pets really easy to make neons or even mega neons, so it's really useful to get this potion, guys. So without further ado, let's get straight to the point. First of all, you do need to have a full-grown pet in your inventory, or you could trade for one. It is honestly very easy to get one. And also, to get a full-grown pet, you also need to just do tasks until it is fully grown. And once you have made it full-grown, you should get this friend bar, and it should have a 0 right next to it. So as you can see, if there is a 0, you do need to make that number 1 to get your first ever aging up potion. So we do need to do around 30 tasks until we can get this friend bar up. And as you can see, mine's already almost finished, so I can get another aging up potion. So if we go into my inventory, we can go to food, and we have an age up potion right here, guys. And it looks like this, and it is labeled rare, and it is non-tradable. So if you guys thought you could probably get this through trading, you cannot, because you have to work for this item. So I am going to demonstrate to you guys how to do this and how many tasks it took me. It took me around 30 tasks, and I have obviously got almost done, so I'm going to show you. And we have a little sleepy otter that we do need to put to bed. So let's go do this real quick. Okay, so I've come in the school to put my otter to sleep, and if we look very closely, when we are done with our first task, this friendship bar should go up. As you can see, it did go up, and we got $8 for it as well. So you can also use an alt account or your friend to help you out to make your friendship bar go up higher. You can trade your friend your other full-grown pet, and you guys can age up your friend bar together. Obviously, if you're using an alt account, you do need to do the rest of the tasks on your main account, so because the potion is non-tradable, as you can see. Okay, so now we're going to put him in the shower. And yeah, so when your friendship task goes all the way up, you will get this potion, guys. This is not a scam, this is not a fake, it's definitely real. It's an Adopt Me update, and I really love it. And it's really easy to make neons or mega neons. Okay, so this can take a lot of time, but it's definitely worth it because you can make neons or mega neons really easily with this potion. And I find it super useful, and it's a really good update, but it can be a little bit slow, especially because you have to do 30 tasks, and that takes a long time. Okay, so while we are doing these tasks to get this friendship level up to number 2, you're probably wondering, how many potions do we need to make a full-grown each pet? So if we go into our inventory here, we scroll all the way down, we have a common, and we also have uncommons here. And then we also go all the way to rare, ultra rare, and then we go to legendary. So there is an amount of potions that you need to make a fully grown. For a common pet, you actually only need 2 potions to make one full grown. And actually, guys, I am actually making a mega neon fish, and I have 2 here. I made this one by using the potions, and it was really easy and super fast. I did not film it as I was really excited about the new update. And then for an uncommon, you need 3 aging up potions. And then for a rare, you need 5 aging up potions. And for an ultra rare, you need 6. And lastly, a legendary, you need 7. So even though this may take time, even if you have 4 legendaries or ultra rares, you can save up your potions. Right now I only have 2, but as soon as we get this task done, and we can get 3. So if you think about it, the more you work, the better you will have an outcome. So genuinely, I think this is definitely a really good update because you do have to work for it, but it's definitely a good benefit. Okay, so I am going to finish all these tasks for my little otter here, and we're going to speed this up so it's not boring for you guys. Oh my gosh, I have just glitched. Oh, what is going on? Oh my gosh, my otter was massive and I wasn't even on it. Okay. So we're going to go do these tasks. I'm going to speed it up for you guys so you don't get bored, but make sure you sit back and relax, and I'll be back before my tasks are all done. Okay guys, so my little otter here it doesn't have any tasks for me, so I have £3,875 to spend on some eggs. I'm only gonna buy one because I do need to save my money, but I just really love the danger eggs and I love hatching them. I actually got these two by hatching them myself and I was really excited about them. I also really love the Spinosaurus and the Lammergeier. I don't even know how to say that, so you guys tell me how to pronounce it in the comments below. I also got the pufferfish, and I'm pretty sure I got the hippo, and there's also piranhas and a other piranha. I think I traded that one. Yeah, I think I did trade that one, but it's so cool. I love them so much. So let's get my otter back out and we're going to wait for some tasks. Oh my gosh, why am I in this figure? This is not my avatar. Oh no. Anyways, we're just gonna have to look like this right now, but I'm gonna reset real fast. Okay guys, so I actually don't know why I look like this, but I think this is the last task. It might be, I'm not sure. It might be. I'm so excited, even though I look really stupid right now. There's one more task left. Oh my gosh, I thought that was actually the last task, but it was not. Look at the friendship bar. It is so, there's literally like a millimeter left until we can actually get the potion. Oh, my avatar's back. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, so I literally think this is officially the last task. We're just going to feed our otters some water. I'm so excited. I worked so hard for this, but it's definitely worth it. And I can't wait to show you how the potion works in the end. Oh, we got it! Yes! Oh my goodness, now we have 3 of them. So now I am going to show you what it looks like to use one. Okay, so since I am making a mega flying fish, I am going to take out my little newborn here. And we are going to feed it the potion. So if we could just grab our age up potion here. Come on, little buddy. We are going to feed you this lovely potion because we need you to be fully grown. Look at this. He's going to eat the potion. There we go. You ready? Look at that. Literally so fast. It goes up all the way to teen. And then just one more because we only need 2 since this is a common. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have a full grown. Let's go, let's go. And we have done it. And as you can see, our friend bar is now here. So that is how it works to make a full grown into a friend bar. And that is also how it works to get a friend bar to a potion. Also, if you see anything in my inventory except from my crow that you want to offer for or trade me something for this, I have a lot of pets. I'm not the best Adopt Me player ever, but I do still have at least, I think, a decent inventory. I also really love making mega neons or neons, so if you have any neons to trade, I would be more than happy to offer for one. But yeah, this is my inventory. I just have like just a few random pets. These are my favorites. I have a mega neon ride dog, and I just love this dog so much. Absolutely my fave. And then we just got my 2 neon flying fishes, which I will not be trading because I'm trying to make a mega. But overall, yeah, that is all for my inventory tour. So I hope this video helped you out. If so, make sure you like, subscribe, and take care of yourself, you beautiful humans. And I'll see you all lovely tiny fans next time. Goodbye.
Oh boy.